welcome back to my channel in the squeakiest chair in the world. So, as I'm sure you're probably sitting there thinking to yourself, you have really taken that 90s look to a whole new level there with that lip, friend. You just don't have anything on. Okay. That's in reference to like the past 3 videos I've mentioned how much I love the super pale nude lip. But there's actually a reason for that. So in this video, I wanted to review something that I got for Christmas. I did not purchase this myself, but I'm very grateful to have it because it's so beautiful. So yeah, so let's just go ahead and dive in because I'm too excited to like screw around with a really long intro. Other than give this video a like and subscribe right now. And now we're gonna go ahead and start. Okay. So I got this for Christmas. Hello, beautiful. And you open him up here. Okay, so this is a Christian Louboutin Beauté. I think it's got a fancy thing over the E at the end. Anyway, but it's basically a Christian Louboutin lipstick. These are just so infamous for basically being weapons. And it's got a lot of ribbon. It kind of looks like a dagger, or it also kind of looks like a... I'll let your imagination run wild with that one. However, this is so freaking cool. I mean, this packaging is stunning. Literally stunning. So the shade that I have is So Tango 315M. Hello there, and this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness! Look at her there! Ah! So I wanted to do an eye look today that would kind of emphasize the lip color because it's such a beautiful, like, mauve-y, pink, berry. Oh, I love this color so much. It's so pretty. So I kind of did like a sunset ombre type deal on my eyes today because I really wanted this to just kind of like all mesh together. So I actually have a tutorial coming on this eye look very soon because it is like super simple, and I thought, man, I'll just, you know, I'll video it. So anyway, so today I wanted to put this on for the first time because I haven't even put it on yet. I've had it since Christmas and I haven't even put it on yet. So I wanted to do that for the first time here with you guys. Now, I will say, Christian Louboutin is not known for their beauty products, and if I remember a Jeffree Star review from last year, I don't think he actually liked their makeup products, other than like for their killer packaging. Literally killer packaging. I don't have crazy high hopes that it's going to be anything mind-blowing other than just a simple lipstick, but I don't care. Keeping it so real, I do not care. Oh my god! There's a holder! There's like a little bag you can put them in. Adorable. Freaking adorable. They've thought of everything. Ugh. I love this. So like I said, this was gifted to me over Christmas. My sister actually got me this, so I did not buy it myself. However, I am so thankful to have it and to be able to review it for you guys. So what I'm going to do is just put on a super, like, pale, it's called a lip foundation. It's by Catrice. It's not really going to add anything to my lips other than like a base for lipstick to hold on to. So I'm going to go ahead and throw on some of that super quick. Okay, so now that I have the lip base on, let's just dive right into the fun part, okay? The inside is red, just like the bottom of a shoe. How freaking cool is that? Oh, I can't see. Damn my blind eyes. Oh god. Okay, so yeah, let me clean this up a tad. Okay, so first thoughts. I really like the color. Really like the color. How can I describe what I've done here? I didn't expect the color to be so berry. I don't understand why it's not, it's like focused, but it's like not focused. What's happening here? Yeah, so like I just didn't expect it to be as berry as it is. I guess I was expecting more mauve toned. Not to say that it's not a beautiful color, but it really is. Ooh. But it definitely does not go with this look at all, like I had originally planned. So that kind of sucks. As far as comfort, it is so soft and smooth on the lips. It is, oh my gosh, like so soft and smooth. It's a tad sheer. I did have to go over it like twice to get like a very vibrant berry color. It is very easily transferred. super easy. Like if you go out to eat in this, it is not only going to come off of your lips, it is probably going to be all around your lips also. So that's not that cool. Because I like accidentally bumped my lips when I was trying to fix them a little bit because I can't put on lipstick apparently. And it was a mess. So that's not great. But man, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It was a tad difficult to put on just because of the way that this is shaped. I don't know why. Like, I don't know what it is about this particular shape right here that just made it so difficult for me, but it did. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just dumb. As far as the product goes itself, it is absolutely gorgeous. Is it something that I would necessarily want to wear for a lengthy period of time? Absolutely not. Something maybe just to take a photograph in? Sure, absolutely. Is it worth the price point that people pay for it? No, it is not. Hence why I am so happy that this was a gift and I'm able to review it this way because I didn't have to spend my money on it. But I love this so much. It seriously is such like a beautiful collector's piece. I'm so happy to have it in my collection, and the packaging, like even the freaking box. Like, hello. Everything about this is so stunning. Like, it's literally like a little brick. So, I love this so much. I will wear it from time to time. It is not going to be a staple item that I go to. Absolutely not. But clearly, as you can tell, it is beautiful. It hasn't gotten on my teeth. Not even once during this entire time that I've been speaking. So that's cool. My final thoughts on this product. It is absolutely beautiful. I love it so much, but I would have never spent my own money on it. But let's be real. Louboutin is not known for their makeup. They're known for their beautiful red bottom shoes. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I did think it would be kind of fun and silly to review a product that not many people are going to have and express to you my true opinion of it. I love it. It's beautiful, but I would never in my life spend my money on it. Give this video a like if you did enjoy it. Comment down below if you would ever spend your money on something like this, even if it's just for the packaging. Now that alone, if you're a collector like myself, I can completely understand somebody wanting to purchase something like this just to have the collection piece. I get that. Totally get that. I'm there with you. But would you spend your money on a product like this? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go and click the notification bell right next to that so you get notified every single time that I upload. And I think with all that being said, I think it's time to go. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Really makes my lips look big. Yes. Oh boy. This one looks a little bit silly.